All right, so today we're looking at functions, and we're looking at the lesson 25 functions, and we're doing the practice activities. So in this one, we're doing calling functions in a draw loop. And it says you can call function inside the draw loop just as you would anywhere else in the code. Of course, inside a draw loop means it's going to kind of loop through and keep running that function. But that is something you could absolutely do. So we're going to take a look at the code here for a second, and we have trees background. So currently when we run this, we have this character moving across the screen, but we don't have a background that's refreshing inside the draw loop. It's just drawing this sprite here that's Flyman. Okay, so that's why you're getting this image of it that keeps being recreated inside the draw loop. So what we want to do is add this trees background. So normally you would just add a background color. That's what we've been adding before. But in this case, we're going to have this background that we've got all of this with the lines and things like that and ellipses. So we're going to have a series of trees that are going to be on here. So really the easiest way to do this is you just drag this out right here. Okay, and you just call on the function. So we're going to go ahead and type our function name here. And let's take a look and see what happens. And so now you can see that you have the trees, and it's just recreating the background over and over and over, just like it's recreating the sprite. Okay. All right. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck.